When you're reading a nonfiction book, you need to think about the topic of it before you start reading. For example, if you're reading the book called Big Cats, Little Cats, you probably already know that some examples of big cats are lions, tigers, leopards, and cheetahs. Some little cats would be like a cat that you might have at your home or a kitten. You also know that lions roar and that little cats like to meow and purr. If you're reading the book called Eggs, 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 you probably already know that chickens lay eggs and that baby chicks come out of eggs, and also people like to eat eggs. If you're reading the book What Can Fly, I'm sure that you know that birds can fly, and if you think really hard, I'm sure that you can think about other things that like to fly in the sky too. So when you're reading a nonfiction book, think about all the things you know about the topic before you start reading it, and that will help you understand the story better.